झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार, आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार। चक दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के, फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के। सारे आम पिला खुशी के जाम शानदार, आसमां से आ गिरी के शाम शानदार।
Hello everyone, I'm Aditya Singh Bisht and I'm Amber Chandler, and we welcome you to a new episode of Sims Campus Diaries. And you guys know what to expect. We're going to ask a lot of questions and ask for the jawabs, some illogical jawabs. So, Barcode is back with a bang, and we see a lot of people out here, and it's our job to pull their strings, pull their legs, or substitute them, whatever. No. We have to talk about Cerebrum. Yeah, Cerebrum. We see a lot of people here know a lot about Barcode, so let's see what they have to say. Let's see.
Guys, what do you think about Barcode? What is Barcode for you guys?
Management Fest.
Barcode is life. Barcode is no sleep. No sleep, no life. No life.
Guys, tell me, what is Barcode for you?
Fun, work and fun.
बंडों के बस भसड़ मचाना और कुछ नहीं.
Okay, that was an honest answer. So, what is Barcode for you?
Something different. This is the first time I'm trying Barcode, so
Okay.
something different.
So, ma'am, what do you know about Barcode? What is Barcode for you?
You got to educate me here.
Fun. The lockdown sucks. So
What is Sims way of life for you?
Sim's way of life is work hard, play hard, enjoy hard, do whatever you do well. Enjoy these 2 years, develop yourself as a leader, as a professional, so that you can earn your legitimate place and do well in the corporate life.
What is Sim's way of life for you?
Sim's way of life, getting up at 6 in the morning, going to run, coming back, going to class, coming back, going for something else, coming back, and then doing assignments at night and coming back and going to sleep, still watching a movie, having a smoke, going to sleep.
This guy is very, very frustrated with this college, yeah.
Shit. क्या करें?
Unproductive.
नहीं, very productive.
Favorite senior, other than your own team.
Okay, that's a very difficult question. I have to think about that.
Who's better amongst Sukriti and Rashi?
I won't answer that.
Best senior? I think I can't choose one. But जिनकी absolutely लगी हुई है, there has to be events conceptualization seniors, Aishwarya and Shivangi.
Who's better amongst the two, Rashi or Sukriti?
Addy.
Amber.
Sukriti and Rashi both.
How many bars are there in Barcode logo this time?
10? Odd? 12? 15? 15?
Why are you carrying a broom?
I'm carrying a broom because this is a part of our competition, you know. We are going in a competition of best manager. A manager is both the sides ready for the war.
Swachh Bharat Mahan, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan चालू है and everybody should...
Swachh Bharat Mahan, she said.
Sorry.
Bhai Amber, I must say, those are very interesting questions you asked out there. Bhai, Delhi wale hoti smart hai. Oh, bhai, watch out. Mumbai people are also not that bad, huh? They're very good. But Delhi wale se to niche hi rahenge. South mein, bhai, South mein. Okay, let's find out.
Delhi or Bombay?
Delhi. Oh man, Bombay.
Here we go now.
दिल्ली की चाट, दिल्ली की शॉपिंग, दिल्ली के लड़के जो मुंह बंद करे तो ठीक है देख।
मैं भी दिल्ली से हूँ बाय द वे। हाँ
So they're like really chilled out. They don't take offense that easily, and they'll always have this Punjabi slang. And they can drink a lot.
Bombay or Delhi?
Delhi.
Why?
Because I spent a lot of time there and I love that place. And you get awesome golgappas and momos.
Mumbai.
Delhi or Bombay?
Bombay. Bombay.
Mumbai.
Bombay. Bombay.
Bombay.
Bombay.
Bombay.
Why?
It's just more fun to be in.
Do you prefer Delhi or Bombay
For what?
as a city?
Neither.
I prefer Bombay.
Bombay, why sir?
Well, one, because I've spent a number of years in Bombay. Two, Bombay culture is different. It's more corporate culture. People are very helpful.
I have to choose one. Okay, Bombay.
Bombay, why Bombay?
Maharashtra. I do not like North India.
She does not like only North India.
Ma'am, which city would you prefer, Delhi or Bombay?
Pune.
Okay, which city is safer for women, Delhi or Bombay? Pune. She loves Pune.
Delhi safer for girls or Mumbai?
Delhi.
Delhi.
अरे भाई दिल्ली रेप कैपिटल है यार, देखना ऐसे ही बोलते हैं।
It's a very media thing, but Delhi is pretty safe. Yeah.
Okay, so is the myth true that Delhi has abused a lot?
No, not really. Even we do. Like, I was in Bombay. We love to abuse. It's a part of life. Sim's way of life also.
Just take this fight off the screen now. Now we leave you with some glimpses of Baku 2015. Cigarette. Alright guys, cheers. Done.
सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार चक दे अंधेरा चांद जियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के सारे आम पिला खुशी के जाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी ये शाम